Hey guys, what's up? Abhijit here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have this Niyo Global Card, which is like an international travel card with zero markup on Forex. And this is the card that I have received yesterday from Niyo Global, and it's written here: a message from Niyo Global: unfold the journey, unlock the wanderlust, and unfasten the global trotter in you. Your getaway to incredible experiences is here. Let's go around the world together. So this is a card from the State Bank of Mauritius. This is SBM, and as you can see, this has a unique design, and behind is my card number and other details. And this is a blue and pink color card with a runway and an aeroplane on this card. Let me get this aside and let's check out what else is there in the box. So over here you have some message from the Niyo Global Card, and this is the list of charges. You can simply pause the video and read this, and this is some information. Behind is my card details, so I'm not going to show this. And over here we have got some interesting things. So as you can see over here, we have some stickers, and this is Rfid Protection, which is written here. You can see this Rfid Protection, which means that you can easily put your card into this packet and secure it safely, so that the wireless contactless payment is not enabled. Like nobody can do any kind of fraud by tap to pay. So you can use this. This is a nice protective case for the card, and you can just pause and read this, what's written here, and also behind RFID and stickers. So some details about the RFID case and stickers. So these are some really cool stickers that I have got. So this is Take Me Away with a camera and Niyo Global branding. It's a big world out there, go explore, go Niyo. Then this one is with a plane: let's go travel, let's go off the grid, eat, sleep, travel. That's interesting, with mountains and trees, and there is a small tent. And this is again interesting. This is a backpack, get outside, and it has a nice image of snow-clad mountains and sunrise. So these are some 6 creative stickers, travel stickers, that will tickle your wanderlust and keep you dreaming of that much awaited holiday. Indeed, yes. They have put a pink beach, beach, B-E-A-C-H, that is this thing, on the card, because it says that it denotes our efforts to bring you offbeat and spectacular experiences, the ones that are filled with convenience, comfort, and luxury. So basically this card is mainly for travelers, because you can pay in Forex without any markup charges, without any Forex markup charge. And I really haven't come across any bank or any financial institute or any NBFC so far which is offering absolutely zero charges. So here is the list of charges that you can see, and let me go through quickly. So everything, all the charges you can see is nil, except for the ATM international cash withdrawal. So in case you are going to a foreign country other than India, and over there if you withdraw the cash in local currency, rupees 100 will be charged per transaction. And replacement of the debit card, if you, in case you lose this debit card, it will be 249 rupees only. And plus in case you need to get this card, you just need to simply download the Niyo Global Card from the link in the description, and you can find it easily on the App Store or Play Store, and you just need to enter your PAN card and Aadhaar card details, and you get a virtual card easily within like just under 5 minutes. And in case you need to order this physical debit card, you need to at least have 5,000 rupees in your bank account. So you need to load 5,000 rupees and you can easily order this card, the physical debit card. After that, once the order is placed, you can transfer the 5,000 rupees back into your account. But I think you can still keep it, and this is offering 3.5% interest rate as compared to the other banks, which is offering only 3% interest rate as of July 2022. So I think overall this is a good card, and you also get 4 complimentary lounge access. So I had inquired about the lounge access, and it's only within India, it's not international lounge access. So you get 4 lounge access per year, that is 1 per quarter. So the clause of 1 lounge access per quarter is something I didn't like, because in case you're traveling say from place A to place B, and you're coming back again to from place B to place A within like a couple of days or maybe within a week, and you might want to have the lounge access at airport A, as well as while coming back from airport B you need the lounge access. So that you can't get, because this is offering only 1 lounge access per quarter. So that's a downside, but nevertheless I think you can use the lounge access benefit provided with this card. And you can also use this for ATM transaction as well as POS transaction internationally, or you can even use it for online transactions. So in case you want to buy something from a foreign website and you need to make the payment in US dollars, or you need to pay fees of any of your international course that you're doing, and the payment has to be made in US dollar or any other currency, you can easily use this card, and it is absolutely charging 0% interest rate. I recently made a transaction of 1,000 US dollars, and the rate that I got was 79.80, which is the ongoing USD INR rate. So yeah, that's it from this video. I think this is a pretty cool card for the new travelers. Whoever loves to travel, this is a must-have card. So if you like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any queries, just mention in the comments and I will try to get back to you. So thank you guys.